Hello everyone. For this topic, I'll be teaching you how to add hyperlink into your document. So hyperlink is found in Insert tab and then Link. If you're using lower version of Microsoft Word, ang nakalagay sa button is hyperlink. I'm using 2019, so ang pangalan ng button is Link. When you hover, you can see the purpose of this button. The shortcut key is Control and K. So hyperlink, create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files. Hyperlinks can also take you to places in your document such as headings and bookmarks. First, let's try to create hyperlink connecting to our YouTube channel. So let's create first a heading, IT Toolbox. I'll select it and format it and add heading 1 style, put it in the center, and then I'll change the font style into, let's try if they have Orbitron. I don't think so. So let's just look for maybe this one. And then I want this bigger and bolder. There. Font size 28. So next, let's create a list of playlists of IT Toolbox. So first we have MySQL. Second playlist is we have Java. Next is we have, so this one is Java programming. Number 3, we have HTML and CSS. Next is Bootstrap. And fifth one is a mixed playlist. So first, let's open our YouTube channel. I'll open the incognito browser, and then I'll go to YouTube and search for IT Toolbox. So first, let's select this address here. Right click and then copy. Go back to your document, select the heading. Kasi ito yung lalagyan natin ng hyperlink. And then go to insert, go to link, click on it. And then here you have options. If you want to link in an existing file or web page, place a document or create new document or email address. So since it's YouTube, it's a web page. We want this one and then paste here. Next, click on OK. So as you can see, so isa sa palatandaan kung naka-hyperlink yung text is when you hover your mouse, may lalabas showing the address of the link. That's the address of the site. So yan, it could be any other website, Facebook, or sarili niyong website. So it says Control plus click to follow link. So let's press Control. As you have noticed, pag pinindot ko yung Control, yung mouse pointer ko becomes a hand, which means itong text na to is clickable. So I'll click on it. And then let's wait for the browser to load. So by default, naka Microsoft Edge yung browser ko. So as you can see, nag-load na yung YouTube channel natin. Kasi ito yung nilagay natin na link. So that's how hyperlink works. So ang definition niya is to create a link in your document for quick access to web pages and files. So yung YouTube channel natin is an example of a web page. So next, let's move on to the playlist. So click natin tong playlist. And let's go to MySQL. And then pause it. Let's copy again the address. Right click and copy. Go back to your Microsoft Word document. Select the word. So you have to select the word para alam ng software kung saan niya ilalagay yung hyperlink. Go to link. And then paste here. When you hover, makikita niyo yung address ng link. As you can see, pag naka-hyperlink siya, ito yung kulay niya at may underline. Magbabago yung formatting ng text mo. But, of course, you can change it sa gusto niyong formatting. So, gusto kong same lang silang 5. So, you can select the word, remove the underline, and then change the font color into black. So, same na sila ng styling lahat. Pero, when you hover, since hyperlink siya, may lalabas pa na ganito. And then, pag nag-press ako ng control, mag-change yung mouse pointer into hand. Again, which means clickable yung text na to. Let's add one more. Go to Java Programming Playlist. I'll click on it. I'll pause the video. I'll select the address and copy it. Next, sa document natin, I'll select the text. I'll go to Insert, Link, and then Paste. Or Control V. Then click on OK. So same, you can format. So this time, di ko natatanggalin yung format niya. So ganun lang yung process. What if sa document or picture yung gusto nyong i-hyperlink? So let's say for example, for adding number 6, sample video. Or sample I'll select on it. I'll go to link. This time, instead of pasting the link, hanapin natin yung sample file. So let's say for example, let's go to desktop. And then, sa inyo, you don't have this file. So, hanap lang kayo ng any file, video, image, or document sa laptop nyo. So, I'll use this one. So, pag clinic ko tong hyperlink na to, dapat yung video na yon maglo-load at magpe-play. And now, it's working. So, ito na yung video na nakalink sa text natin. So again, hyperlink is used kung may gusto kayong i-link sa document nyo. It could be a website, video, image, document, or any file that you want. So that's how easy it is to add hyperlink into your document. If you have questions and clarifications, please comment it down below. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day.